Hungary has escalated tensions with Ukraine and Brussels, announcing decisive action after what it calls a direct attack on its sovereignty and energy security. Foreign Minister Peter Szijjártó confirmed that Budapest has banned Robert Brovdi, better known as Madyar, commander of Ukraine's drone forces, from entering Hungary and the Schengen Area. The move follows Ukrainian drone strikes on the Druzhba oil pipeline, a critical energy lifeline for Hungary and Slovakia, which temporarily halted supplies and raised fears of shortages.
This was an attack on Hungary's sovereignty, endangering our energy security and nearly forcing the use of our strategic reserves. Anyone who attacks our energy security and sovereignty must expect consequences.
Szijjártó stressed that Ukraine knows the Druzhba pipeline is vital for Hungary and Slovakia, yet such strikes harm them far more than Russia. Brovdi, an ethnic Hungarian from Zakarpattia, has previously boasted online about targeting pipeline infrastructure. Kyiv, however, reacted sharply. Deputy Foreign Minister Andriy Sybiha accused Szijjártó of moral decline, saying that if Hungary puts the Russian pipeline above Ukrainian lives, then Budapest is on the wrong side of history. The European Commission, meanwhile, acknowledged Druzhba as a key facility for EU energy security and urged all parties to protect critical infrastructure. Oil flow through the pipeline has since been restored following repairs. The diplomatic clash comes as Hungary also takes the EU to court. Budapest has sued over Brussels' decision to redirect billions in frozen Russian asset interests to Ukraine through the European Peace Facility, a move Hungary says unlawfully bypassed its veto. Together, the pipeline dispute, Ukraine's sharp reaction, and Hungary's legal battle with Brussels underscore a widening rift, that Budapest is standing firmly in defense of its sovereignty, security, and national interests.